Happy birthday, Lonlon! Happy birthday, Lonlon!
Happy birthday, Lolo.
Happy birthday, Lonlon! The Paragas family! Happy birthday, Lon!
Wishing you all the best.
Okay,
Happy birthday, Lonlon.
Happy birthday, Lonlon!
Sana lagi kang mabait sa akin.
Happy birthday, Lon!
I love you, Lon.
Happy,
Lon, I love
happy
you.
50th birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Lord. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Lon!
Hi, Lon. Happy birthday. Magpakabait ka mabuti. At saka, I miss you na. Namimiss na kita. And, hindi ko alam ang sasabihin ko, Lon. Happy birthday na lang. And enjoy your day. Take care your katawan. Ingat lagi dyan. Tsaka, congrats sa mga achieve. Tama ba yun?
Happy birthday, Lon.
Oh,
Inuman na.
tagay na.
Tagay na.
Lon, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your day. Cheers.
Lon, happy birthday! 50 ka na. Oh. Inuman na.
Happy birthday, Lon. Pagpalain ka ng ating Panginoong Kristo. God bless you and happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Greetings from New Jersey!
Happy birthday
Happy birthday to you, Lonlon!
Happy birthday to Kuya Lonlon. We wish you all the best in life and I hope you enjoy your vacation there sa US and we love you so much.
Let's go, Oilers!
Let's cheer for Oilers! Let's go Oilers! Happy birthday!
Bye!
Happy 50th birthday, Lon. I'm happy for you and God bless you.
Tito Marlon, I'm wishing you a very happy birthday and for many more birthdays to come. I'm super grateful na partake ng buhay ko and I hope you'll be there for a very long time. I hope you're having an amazing day today. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya.
Thank you sa pagtulong sa amin nakarating dito sa Canada. And dito na kami ngayon sa Vancouver. Enjoy your day, Kuya. At see you ulit sa pag-uwi niyo galing US. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Kuya Lon, from Greenwoods, Philippines.
Happy birthday, Kuya! Thank you for bringing us love. I love you. You're so funny. You're so pogi daw. You're very so pogi. You're very pogi. I love you. Wish namin sa'yo, continue to bless ka pa ni God and mas mahabang buhay. Enjoy your day.
Yeah,
Happy 50th birthday.
yeah, yeah.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya. Wish namin na patuloy kang bigyan ni Lord ng good health. I-bless ka niya in all aspects of your life. And i-grant niya yung desires ng puso mo. Happy birthday, Kuya.
Happy birthday, Kuya Lon!
Happy birthday po.
God bless you and we love you.
Enjoy your special day.
God bless.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday!
I